How are you? How are you? I am great, thank you. I am great, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Nadia. My name is Nadia. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from South Africa. I am from South Africa. Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? I grew up in a town called Pretoria. I grew up in a town called Pretoria. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Cheongju, South Korea. I live in Cheongju, South Korea. Are you married? Are you married? I'm not married. I'm not married. What do you do? What do you do? I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. Are you a foodie? Are you a foodie? I am a huge foodie, yes. I am a huge foodie, yes. Are you a lazy person? Are you a lazy person? Sometimes I can be. Sometimes I can be. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? I have one sister and two younger brothers. I have one sister and two younger brothers. Are you friendly? Are you friendly? I'm very. Are you friendly? I'm very friendly. What are your hobby? What are your hobby? My hobbies include eating food and spending time with my family and friends. My hobbies including eating food and spending time with my family and friends. Do you like to listen to music? Do you like to listen to music? I love to listen to music. I love to listen to music. Have you ever ridden a horse? Have you ever ridden a horse? Twice, but almost fell off. Twice, but almost fell off. Are you a BTS fan? Are you a BTS fan? I'm not a BTS fan, but they are okay. I'm not a die-hard BTS fan, but they are okay. Are you happy? Are you happy? I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Do you like to wear makeup? Do you like to wear makeup? Yes, I like to wear makeup. Yes, I like to wear makeup. When was the last time you cried? When was the last time you cried? The last time I cried was maybe 3 months ago. The last time I cried was maybe 3 months ago. What did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today? I have not eaten breakfast. I have not eaten breakfast. What time do you usually get up? What time do you usually get up? I usually get up at 7 a.m. I usually get up at 7 a.m. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer. Do you have many regrets? Do you have many regrets? I wouldn't say so. No, I wouldn't say so. No. What sports can you play? What sports can you play? I can play soccer, field hockey, swimming, tennis, badminton. That's about it. I can play soccer, field hockey, swimming, tennis, badminton. Yeah, that's about me. That's about it. Do you feel uncomfortable now? Do you feel uncomfortable now? I don't. I don't. What time do you usually go to bed? What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. How often do you drink alcohol? How often do you drink alcohol? I drink alcohol once a week. I drink alcohol once a week. Describe your clothing style in one word. Describe your clothing style in one word. Unpredictable. Unpredictable. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. My favorite food is pasta. What was your major in university? What was your major in university? I studied teaching early childhood education. I studied teaching early childhood educations. Thank you.